So, Defend the Weak, a first decentralized platform that will reach out directly to the victims of abusive employers overseas. So, it's definitely good to hear that the project will help people. So, I think definitely it is a highlight of the project. I've never seen anything like this. So I think that's pretty good that it goes in that way. So let's go on, and here we got the button to purchase the token, of course, of the project, which is OFW. So I think we can go to PancakeSwap and show you what it is about. So basically you can purchase here the token, of course. So I think that's it. Here you got the value from and to. So that's it. So let's be back to the site and see what's next. Here we got the white paper, which is the document where you got all the details about the project. So I definitely recommend you to see anything you want in this document if you're interested in the project. So I think we can be back to the site and go on with showing you the page. So let's scroll down and see what's next. So what is OFW, the token? OFW is a token that aims to disrupt the rampant and ongoing abuse to all hardworking Filipino worldwide to help the victims and their loved ones. We built a token for the hardworking Filipinos. All donations will be handed directly to the victims and to their loved ones. We aim to help those who are abused, maltreated, and living in an inhumane condition under the hands of the abusive employers, mostly domestic helpers in the Middle East. We will not stop. We will bring them back home to their families if needed be. Donation will be funded by the generous crypto enthusiasts worldwide. So I think this is definitely good to hear that project will help the people that are in the need of the help. So that's good. Here we got the film about the video about the situation, and the project will help and will try to solve a part of the problem that is going on in Filipino. Problems and solutions. More than 12 million Filipinos are scattered worldwide, leaving their families back home to give them a good future. Problems. Nearly 5,000 cases of maltreatment of overseas Filipino workers were recorded in 2020. Data presented during the Senate Labor Committee hearing showed. Senator Joel Villanueva, chairman of the committee, presented figures from Philippine overseas labor offices, polos, which showed that in the Middle East alone, more than 4,000 cases of abuse were recorded last year. In Asia, there were 593 maltreatment cases, while 86 incidents were reported in Europe and the America. The Polo data also included the number of contract violations committed against OFWs, which totaled to 23,714, majority of which were reported in Middle Eastern countries. So here we got the source of the article, so it's pretty professional that everything is clear. Decentralized direct help for those who are affected and to their families back home, while government is tackling the issues. So it's not good that government is tackling the issues. Fortunately, the project will take a try and try to help, and the government should endeavor to limit the employment up to a certain date to only skilled workers. Otherwise, no matter what they do, they would always have abuses. White paper, which I've showed you real quick. Of course, it is in English, so everybody understand it. They have their own mobile app, and it is available over Android and Apple. So I think everyone will be like pleasant with the app because everyone can get it. Roadmap, here we got the plans of the project. 2021 during pandemic, it was where the platform idea was born. January 2021 technical strategy and development. May 2021 OFW token and website is ready. CMC or CoinGecko, social media influencers partnership, press release invitation to all government officials involved in OFW project. And here we got the period that we're in right now, so it is pretty actual. So June 20th, it will be pre-sale of OFW through DX sale and PancakeSwap, listing June 17 or 30 minutes after the hard cap has been reached. OFW mission defend the weak, help directly to the victims, not through corrupt foundations. CO OFW token is not just another deflationary token. This is a token with real-world application through direct donations to the victims of the abuse employers worldwide. Every transaction involving OFW token is taxed with 10%, 5% goes to holders, 2% auto-burned, 3% secured charity wallet. So it's pretty clear about the project that this is taxed with 10%. Tokenomics, all the details about the tokenomics, here we got them. Team wallet marketing, here we got the value. Initial burn, 82%, also the value. Log to liquidity pool, 2023, over 16%, also the value. 3%, 3 months locked future airdrop, manual burn over 1%, max supply, here we got the value symbol, OFW of course, and here we got initial value. So I think that's it. Here we got the team of the project, so it's pretty professional that they show who is behind the project. Here we got 6 creative and dedicated people, 60 years of combined experience, 45 years of combined blockchain experience, and here we got all the team members. Of course, you can click anyone and see who are they. So I think that's pretty clear to see. Here we got the space where you can leave your questions, of course. So you can send an email here by using this. I think that it makes it more easy to do. So I think you can also leave your questions on Telegram, where I recommend you to join. Of course, there will be more updates about the project and stuff, but I also recommend you to join their Twitter, so you can be also updated with any information. Here we got all the films and videos about the situation that project is about. So I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!